Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making pigs in mud cake. Awesome! Look at these pink piggies having a lovely bath in some mud. Well, chocolate actually, but looks like mud. Okay, we're going to start by making the piggies with fondant icing, baby pink colour. Roll out some balls with your hands. We're making 2 medium-sized balls and 4 larger balls. These are going to form the bodies and heads of the pigs. Right, those are all ready, so let's get our tool and start doing some detail. So we're getting 2 of the larger balls and making an indent, like so, in the middle. Just pop those pieces aside, and now let's make some ears and snouts with smaller pieces, which we'll just roll into balls in our hands and slightly flatten out. We want the snout to be a bit thicker, poke a couple of holes in those. There you go. Let's use some water to paint the snout onto our head. And then the ears. Poke in a couple of eyes and repeat on the next piece. So these are 2 of our piggies' heads. Ready to roll. Talking of rolling, let's roll out a thin sausage shape. Cut it in half. These are going to make 2 arms for one of our piggies. Stick them on either side of the large ball using water as glue. Press them down with your fingers. And then pop on the head. Amazing! I'm rolling a small ball and making a little indent in the middle with my tool, and this is going to look like a cute little trotter. So we're going to do a few of these. Then roll out a thin sausage shape. Make it a bit longer and thinner. And then curl it around. This is going to be a cute piggy's tail. We want a couple of these. We're going to stick them onto those large balls which we made an indent in earlier. Again, using water as glue. That's the second one going on there. Brilliant! Our pieces are ready! Let's get the cake. We're using chocolate cake. You can bake it yourself or buy it pre-made from the store. It really depends how much time you have. We're coating it in chocolate ganache. This is going to taste yummy. We're going to stick on some pieces of Kit Kat all the way around the edge to make a kind of wall or fence. We want our piggies to be bathing in the chocolate swimming pool in the middle. Kit Kats are the perfect shape and size for this. So let's load on some more chocolate ganache. Yummy! Spread it out evenly so it goes all the way to the edges. Just like a piggy pool. Brilliant! Let's add in our piggies. This one looks like he's half submerged in the chocolate. And this one is bathing on his back, with just his tummy and trotters poking out the top. Super cute. And even cuter, are 2 bottoms sticking out from the mud. These 2 are having a dive to see what's underneath. Now we're going to decorate the outside with some green buttercream icing, piping it on with a nozzle that makes it look like grass. Brilliant! And finally, a pink ribbon to finish it all off. Tying a bow. And there you have piggy perfection. Amazing! Look at that! All those cute pink piggies having a chocolate mud bath. Wow! Why not give it a go? See you next time!